Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. You will be hearing my voice a little bit different just because I am recording with the iPhone. But by the way, let's go straight to the video. Let's talk about some tips and tricks to speed up your productivity while you're using the Mac. So first of all, a very quick feature, but very useful. It is just to press the Option key on your keyboard and then just press right here on the right hand side of your MacBook screen, right here on the top. And if you hold the Option key and just press on the date and time right here, you will toggle the Do Not Disturb mode. So it's very easy. If you have to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode very quickly, this is the fastest way that you can do it, of course. So as you can see right here, I have my Do Not Disturb mode active. And of course, I can disable it every time I want. Very easy trick, but super useful maybe if you receive too many notifications. Another very cool feature in your Mac, it is to recognize the music, for example, from a YouTube video. So right here, I have this music video that probably you haven't seen in every YouTube video, actually. Jokes aside, to recognize the music right here, you can just do it by simply activate Shazam. So Shazam, it is built in your Mac. So just go into System Settings and then just go into Control Center right here on the left. Then if you scroll down below, you will see Music Recognition. So, and you will see the little icon of Shazam. So just click Show in the menu bar, and then on the top, you will see the Shazam little icon. And then if you click and if you play the music right here, it will recognize the music very easily. So as you can see, I have the notification right here, and this is the music recognized. Very cool feature. And as I said, it is built in your Mac. So make sure to use this awesome feature. Talking about of sound, did you know that you can add like background noise, white noise, while maybe you're working, maybe you're using your headphone and trying to concentrate in something while using your Mac? You can add these background noises just by default on your Mac. Just go into System Settings, of course, just go into Accessibility, then you click into Audio right here, and then right down below you will find background sounds. So if you activate this one, you will have the background noise, of course, and then you can choose by selecting different background sounds. And you have, of course, the classics, so the rain, the ocean, and also you have dark noises and bright noises. So this is very cool, and it can keep you concentrate while you're working on something. And of course, you can customize the volume in the background. Then, did you know that on your MacBook, you can use, of course, the mission control to switch between apps? But did you know that you can group your apps by type, so you will not have a mess in the mission control tab? So just go System Settings, of course, and then just go into Desktop and Dock. And then here, scroll down below into Mission Control, you will find Group Windows by Application. If you tick that option, you will see that the same application will be grouped together. So you will not have a mess around the Mission Control, and in fact, you will see every application icon under the application window. So as you can see right here, I have System Settings, and right here I have Finder, and here I have my VPN. So very cool feature. It keeps your Mission Control organized. Then, talking about Mission Control, of course, you will see on the top that I have different windows open. And using Mac, it is very easy to switch between these windows. And these are technically different desktops. So we can switch very easily between those just by using 3 fingers on the touchpad. And so I can switch like this between desktops. Very easy. I think this is my favorite feature on the MacBook, because like this, I can switch very easily and very fast between my application, and I have it always organized as I want. It is a very convenient feature, in my opinion. Same thing to go into Mission Control. As you can see, I can just swipe with 3 fingers. I can swipe up to open the Mission Control with 3 fingers, very easy. So if you need to switch between desktops, and also if you need to see the different application you have opened, like I did before, I can use this simple gesture, just 3 fingers, swipe up, and you can find every application that you have opened in your desktop. Then another gesture that I was using just before when I start using MacBook it is using the 2-finger swipe on the side of your trackpad. So like this, you can open the widget tab, but right now I don't use this that much just because I have my widgets on the desktop. Now you cannot see it because they are hidden, but I don't use that much anymore this feature just because I don't need it that much as before, just because, as I said, I have all my widgets of interest on my desktop, so I don't need to swipe to open this. But in case you didn't know, just 2-finger swipe on the side of your trackpad and you will find this widget screen right here. And of course you can add and remove any widget that you want. Then another very cool feature, and this is a feature to customize the look of your Mac, it is to change the folder color. And I don't mean the icon of the folder itself, so I don't mean this little icon right here, because this I have another video on my channel, so you can check that to change this folder icon right here, because as you can see I have my YouTube video folder right here with the YouTube icon, but I mean you can change the entire folder color. So just right click on the folder and then just click on the show view option. So right here, as you can see on the bottom, you will see background, and right now it is on default, but you can choose color. And so as you can see, you can pick whatever color you want to have as a background in your folder, or you can choose a picture, whatever picture you want. You can just drag and drop it right here and you will have a picture as a background of your folder. I think it's a very cool feature if you want to customize to the maximum level your Mac, but I like more like subtle things, like very easy and minimal things, so I will leave it as a default. But this feature, it was just to let you know you can also customize this option, so you have it. If you want to have a colorful Mac folders, just use this feature right here. Then this was a very quick video on some very useful feature to speed up your productivity, because like this you will be very fast moving through Mac system, and also you will have some option that you already have on your MacBook, so you don't have to download anything. This is all default MacBook. With these features you will improve your MacBook knowledge, and of course like this you will speed up your workflow on your Mac. That being said, if you have any other feature like this, any tips and tricks, just let me know down below in the comments, of course. And if you did like this video, just hit a like button, because I mean it's free. And also if you haven't subscribed already to this channel, just drop a sub down below, because I mean it will be very helpful. In any other case, thank you for watching this video as always, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.